talking about the refurbished product or the refurbished word और brand new मतलब difference, इन सब के बारे में बात करें तो कहा जा सकता है कि refurbished word का खुद का मतलब refurbished itself means brand new or means creating something brand new. Like this is actually what refurbished means. Whereas if we talk about the actual meaning or the definition of refurbished, it's something like creating something newly like. So that's the actual meaning by Google or everywhere in the dictionary out there. Refurbished means this. Whereas talking about the word refurbished or talking about refurbishedness, we can say that there is no major difference out there between the refurbished product and the brand new product. Is the brand new product as well as the refurbished product both are absolutely the same, whereas the difference lies out in some of the categories like the pricing and everything. There lies the difference. But when we talk about the criteria, the specifications, or anything about the brand, it's absolutely the same one out here. Yes, these are absolutely same out there. You will get to see that the brands, the model out there is actually the same exact way the brand new has to be. Yes, the brand new has to be. Like if we talk about the display, if we talk about its touch quality, if we talk about the camera, if we talk about the audio quality, capitalization, if we talk about the screening, if we talk about anything of the phone, like कुछ भी इसकी कोई सी भी स्पेसिफिकेशन की बात करनी हो, किसी भी बारे में बात करना हो, it's absolutely the same out here. Yes, it's absolutely the same. Whereas if we talk about this variant, if we talk about the variant out here, हम कह सकते हैं कि काफी ज्यादा अच्छा है. Because the refurbished products are categorized, testified, verified, or we can say testimonial is given on the basis of the criteria which is used for the brand new products. Yes, the brand new products usually get certified at various sites to get it launched in the market. Market में आने से पहले ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स को क्या किया जाता है, हर साइट पर सर्टिफाई किया जाता है, तब वो मार्केट में आता है. एंड रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स जो है एक ही साइट पर जाकर जहां पर वो अवेलेबल है, there they are given a certification out there for all the categories. These categories includes all the specifications it has, like the display it has, we talk about the camera quality, battery life, scratches, buttons, internal features of the phone like the CPU, operating system, GPU, NFS, infrared, Wi-Fi hotspot, anything. N number of specifications are there, so n number of criteria, like 29 parameters are there, which sets the refurbished product as a brand new type product. So they are almost newly like. What additional benefits you get from the refurbished products are like you get to have a saving of 15%. Yes, you get to have a saving of 15% out there in the refurbished products. Why we say you get to have a savings? Because the next point clearly defines the savings point out here, because it comes in pocketable rates. Pocketable rates में आता है, if they are in pocketable rates, then definitely you get to see that these products, refurbished products, give you a saving, because brand new products are actually slightly expensive out here. They are slightly expensive, we can say, whereas the refurbished products are quite pocket friendly rates and quite less, or we can say much cheaper than the brand new products. So you can save actually up to 15%, like approximately 15% you can easily save out. Whereas you also get to have a 6 months warranty period. Yes, you get to have a 6 months warranty period also. Usually brand new products have a warranty period of 1 year, so you usually don't get warranty period of the products which are once used by the user and they are then again used by another user. So the refurbished product or the products which have a condition of certified refurbishedness are actually having a warranty period of 6 months. Whereas you also get to have 7 days exchange policy. Yes, 7 days exchange policy is also there, where you get to exchange the product if it's not actually good enough for the usage, or you also get the money back guarantee out there. So that's really an amazing feature out here for this amazing category called refurbishness or refurbished products. Actually, what happens in this product, or we can say in this everything out there, the simple thing happens out here is brand new products are directly from the company to the users, like without a mediator, without being once used. That is directly first time. Whereas the refurbished products are like they have been used first and the user does not want to use anymore, and it's absolutely in good condition out there, that is verified out there, that is checked out there, then it is given a certificate, and then it is again relaunched in the market on various sites where it is categorized as refurbished, and there we can use it, and that's absolutely newly like product out here with pocketable rate, savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy, everything is given to that. Talking about this refurbished product, this side which I have already shown you has got beautiful featured phones out there. Yes, so very amazing phones out here, or you can say the good quality or amazing phones out here. The site name is phoneZone.ae, yes, which I have already told you. PhoneZone.ae is the site name out here. And when we talk about this site out there, we can say that this site offers not you just one brand out here, but n number of brands, which we have already seen that this category offers you n number of brands, as well as you get to have COD, free shipping, and original products, as well as you get to see n number of models out here. So definitely you can check this out, because this website offers you great pricing and as well as the best price from the market. So the website link has been given in the description box, or you can Google it by phonezone.ae. This is the website name. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. और इस वेबसाइट को जरूर ट्राई कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपको मिलते हैं बेस्ट मार्केट प्राइस के प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पर. एंड टिल देन टेक केयर. और आपको कोई और कंफ्यूजन, यू कैन लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching PhoneZone.ae with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about a variant which is none other than HTC Desire 820 Mini. Yes, आज हम बात करेंगे 820 Mini की यहाँ पर, because we have seen that Desire 820 has amazing variation out there. But let us compare about the 820 Mini and 820 out there and see what it all has and how it is all going out there. Talking about this variant, talking about HTC Desires 820 and 820 Mini, we can say the screen size has definitely reduced. That's why it's the name Mini out there. मतलब screen size थोड़ा सा reduce हुआ है from 5.5 to 5 inches. So the screen size has reduced, and that's why the name Mini has come out. It also uses a less progressive Snapdragon processor. As the Snapdragon used out here is 410, so it is actually slightly less out here. Whereas it uses 8 GB RAM, where the earlier version, which was 820, it uses 16 GB RAM. So there is a difference out there in the storage capacity as well. You also get to see that the megapixel has also reduced from 13 megapixel to 8 megapixel. So it can be considered as also a reason why it is considered mini. Mini is the name given because the qualities or the main specifications have reduced out there, because 820 had all the specifications but were not in the pocketable rates. So Mini has a compact structure out there of 820 in a pocketable rate out there. Whereas if we talk about this variant, we can say the battery life is about of 2100 mAh as compared to 820 itself, and the storage capacity or the RAM, if we talk, is just 1 GB RAM. Yes, 1 GB RAM you will get to see in this. So these are the major differences out here. Whereas if you see the front camera or the selfie camera, that has also reduced from 8 megapixel to 5 megapixel. We can say that this is also a variation out there. 8 से 5 megapixel हो गया है. All the sensory cameras, all the sensations, if we talk, they all are same out there. You will get to see all the sensation like light sensation, proximity, accelerometer, everything is there. You will not see the fingerprint sensation in 820 and this also. Whereas if we talk about the operating system in 820 Mini, we can say that the 820 Mini uses out none other than Android 4 KitKat, a low version out there. In 820 we had seen KitKat upgraded version, but not in this. This things are almost same. The dual SIM phone out there. You will also get to see micro SIMs are there. You will also get to see all kinds of networks are available out there. 3.5 jack is there, FM hai, radio hai. You will also get to see that it is working with great variation out there. The weight has not reduced. Yes, the weight has not reduced out here. The weight has in fact increased by 5 grams. We have seen 820 had a weightage of around 155 and this weighs around 160. So definitely the weight has increased. Whereas if we talk about the touch screening of this, then this uses Super LCD Capital Touchscreen 2. Yes, Capital Touchscreen 2 is used out here, and the resolution has increased because of that. We can say the resolution has increased from 294 ppi. Yes, 294 is the new resolution out here. We can say that this model is quite good variation, good out there. You will also see that expandability is there. You can expand your memory, but up to a certain amount, because 8 GB is only the internal storage capacity, so you can expand it up to 32 GB easily. There are no major differences out here in this. You will not see the major differences are there, but a very basic difference is that you will be able to see LED flashlight in 820. Yes, 820 mini. Yes, 820 mini you will have a flashlight, whereas in 820 we did not see the flashlight out there. Nothing else has changed. Everything is common out here. Nothing has changed out there. So we can consider it in a pocketable rates with a great variation out here. But talking about the variation, price, pocketable rates, is it worth of the pocketable rates? Yes, it's definitely worth it. And if you want to have this in your pockets and save a great amount, then do visit out the description link. मतलब description में एक link है, वहां पर जाकर आप जाएंगे तो ये site open होगी. This is the site out here which you will see. The site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, the site name is phonezone.ae. And this site offers you n number of brands, n number of categories, n number of gadgets in a pocketable and a pocket-friendly rate. Talking about the gadgets out there, this is the category where you get to see n number of brands out here, as well as you also get to see that they are offering you not just brands. Cash on delivery is also there, free home delivery, 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policies there, 100% original products are there. You also get to search your favorite icons in this search icon bar. Let us search this. Desire 820 mini. So let us search this and let us get the results fast. So the results are already out, and let's get ahead and see what the result says. It has a condition also, it has a description box out here. Description में आपको सारी qualities का specifications देखने को मिल रही हैं. So we can see all the specifications have been listed out here. And when we talk about the condition, yes, if we talk about the condition, there is written refurbished condition. So first, let's talk about refurbished condition, then we will talk about the site, then we will talk about the pricing and everything. But first, let's talk about refurbished condition here itself.